don't think anything else can carry as much weight.
Man.
Oh, we're doing it.
And what are you winning? No, you just lost.
I was winning.
Until I started talking to you. I'm sorry about that. Yeah.
Stay cool while you're working.
Yeah. All right, Jonah, hey, I got to talk to you for just a second. What in the world is it you built here? These ladies can try it out while you're at it.
PrintCade Invaders. So it's the 4th generation of a project that I've been working on for a while. That's about taking recycled components, old printers, joysticks.
Okay, so I've got an old...
literally an old dot matrix printer.
Yeah.
What is the function of that?
It mimics the control mechanism of the spaceship in Space Invaders. We notice that it moves left and right just the same way the Space Invader ship does.
Okay.
So,
and then I've got an old joystick and several other fun bits and pieces mounted on an old
NeoPixels mounted on a laser cut Space Invader, big Space Invader. It's plaid, but it's hard to tell.
And is this a one-of-a-kind t-shirt, by the way?
Yeah, I made it myself.
That's fantastic.
That's the best t-shirt.
Yeah.
All right. You're at Lehman College. You're teaching over there, creative technology.
Yeah, I teach about internet culture, media.